Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to create a fire alarm system without using Arduino. The total cost of this experiment is 80 rupees. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are flame sensor, buzzer, 9-volt battery and connecting wires. This is the flame sensor. This flame sensor has 3 pins, VCC, ground and the output pin. First we need to connect this flame sensor with the 9-volt battery. Now I am connecting the VCC from the flame sensor with the plus 5 volt in the battery. So we can connect this to the battery finally. So now I am connecting the 2 wires together. So this red wire is the positive wire. And connect this negative from the flame sensor with the negative in the battery. Now we need to connect the buzzer. The buzzer has 2 wires, positive and the negative. So this positive wire we need to connect with the positive from the flame sensor and the battery which we connected before. Now connect the output pin from the flame sensor with the negative pin from the buzzer. So this is our circuit connection. Now we need to connect the battery. Now you can see the sensor turns on. Now let's check the output. If we move the fire near to the flame sensor, the buzzer will turn on. And if we move away, the buzzer will turn off. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comment section. Thank you.